Hi everyone, how's your Sunday going? Today we're going to talk about these two words, there and there. I'm sure a lot of you get confused about these two words. So let's fix that, okay? Let's start with this word, there. There means they are, okay? There means they are. Do you see this apostrophe here? This is actually letter A. Okay? This represents letter A from the word are. So there is a shortcut of they are. They are, okay, is the longer version of there. It's very simple. So there and they are, okay? They are the same. It's just that there is shorter. So for example, if you can say they are in your sentence, you use this one, not this. This one. Like they are happy. Okay? They are happy. They're happy. Okay? They're happy. Now, for this word, there, letter I is a person. It's a person. So let's put a smiley here. Okay? Remember, letter I here is a person. Meaning to say, this word is, you use this word for ownership or for possession, okay? Like, for example, it is their dog. It is their dog. It means to say they own this dog, okay? I'm gonna write it here. Okay, so this one is here, okay? It is their dog. So you see this letter I here? It represents the person, okay? It is their dog. Their dog. Another example. It is their ball. Ball. It is their ball. It means to say they own this ball. Okay? So you use this word there. Okay? There. There. Not this. No. Use this because it is a possession and ownership. All right? So just to wrap up things, there, okay, there, this one is a shortcut. It's a shortcut for they are. And there is for stuff people own. Like this or this. Just remember letter I represents a person, okay? Or a group of people. Because I. So I own this. 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 All right? So I hope you enjoyed our very short lesson for today. And write your sentence in the comments and I will review it later, okay? Have a good week ahead. Bye-bye.